everybody. It's Jessica Stone at Stansberry Research, and I've got Scott Garliss on the line. He, of course, is the editor of the Stansberry Newswire. And Scott, you've been writing about the comeback of the American spender. Why are you feeling that way? What are the signs that you're seeing that U.S. spending is on the uptick?
So we've been digging through company presentations and reports. One of the trends we've noticed in particular is with the credit card companies. American Express and MasterCard have both recently given some updates. What they said was the trends are getting better. Business is decelerated on a year-over-year basis, but in terms of the deceleration, what we are seeing is we're seeing a pickup on a monthly basis, whereas the trends were super weak in March, they were very weak in April, but they got even better in May. Then Visa just came out the other day, and they told us the same thing. So that tells me that things are rebounding as economies are opening in the different states.
Of course, this is significant because so much of the U.S. economy relies on the U.S. consumer. Can you talk about the implications of this and sort of how it is going to affect the U.S. recovery?
Sure. So there's another industry where we're starting to see this is in the airline industry. Again, just digging through what a lot of the executives have been saying at different presentations they're doing with broker dealers. What they've been saying is they've seen bookings go from net negative on a daily basis to they're starting to see positive bookings again. So another way of saying that would be instead of seeing net cancellations every day, they are starting to see people book travel again, and the net cancellations on a daily basis are stopping. So that tells us that people and individuals, whether it be for personal travel or for company travel, are getting out and doing more. That means they're spending more, and that trickles down all over the place. Because where that helps is things like jobs. We start to see an ebb in the number of jobs lost, sort of like we saw from some of the employment data recently.
How do you suggest that investors take advantage of what you're seeing? Is it just a free-for-all, or are there some places we can look that might still be affordable stocks to invest in?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit of both. What we've really seen so far is all the technology stocks have been really highlighted by people, right? Because they're the ones that have benefited the most from what's been going on with the home lockdowns, because so many people are working from home. But some of the regular, important real economy stocks have been left behind, like the Coca-Colas of the world, Kraft Heinz. Home Depot still probably has a bunch of upside. Lowe's is another one. McDonald's is another great name to look at. And then look, the credit card companies too. Look at them, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. As these trends accelerate, they are all going to do well going forward. And the last thing I would say about this is one of the reasons you want to be paying attention to the commentary these guys make is because the economic data that we're going to get on a weekly, monthly basis from the government, that's not going to pick up these trends as quickly. It's going to be a lag effect. But these guys are telling you what's going on in real time. And as they're seeing things get better, that tells us the economy is improving.
So, for example, about a week ago, before we were filming this segment, we saw those terrible consumer spending numbers come out of the U.S. government, 13.6% drop in spending in April. If we are sitting here in another few weeks and we get the same numbers for May, do you think we'll start to see the pickup of that trend in the month of May?
I do. I think it's going to continue. We're sort of in this cycle of less bad. And I think as things keep improving and we move forward into the later summer months, if things keep getting better at the rate they are, we might even start to see some positive data start coming through.
All right. Looking for the bright spot. That's part of the gig. Scott Garliss there. Thanks for your time. And if you would like to see more content just like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.